Jack.
He can't reach.
You're not helping. I can get that. Yeah, could have easily grabbed it.
Dad.
I got it, Clark. Just trust.
You're on a trampoline, Jack.
You're supposed to video.
What's that girl's name that you thinks you have hops?
No one. He's moving his feet.
Nope. Pretty sure you didn't move them. You can watch on video. Oh, that was like.
Laugh all you want, making you go barefoot. Here it is.
How old are you, Jack?
12.
Yeah, you look like it.
14 now. He's 14.
You're gonna break the whole bungee before you get the kid down. Smart move.
Hey, I literally grabbed it. Pull me up, Clark. Oh, I thought I couldn't launch you, scaredy cat.
Hey, I want Dad to do it. Ow, this is so tight.